Subscribe for more information. Sex Shiksha. Do you know how Viagra was invented, or we can say how Viagra was initially used? This so-called magical pill was invented by Pfizer by Peter Dunn and Albert Wood in 1989. Initially, Viagra was not invented for sex. When they created this drug, which was sildenafil citrate, they knew it will be useful for treating high blood pressure and angina. But later on, researchers discovered that this drug was more effective for inducing erection than treating angina. Subscribe for more information. Sex Shiksha.
Hey Shru, एक बहुत awesome news है. My भाभी is expecting her first child and एक छोटी सी पार्टी रखी है. All Chinese and number increasing क्योंकि भाभी का favorite है.
Don't you dare to order Chinese food.
है? But why?
अभी बता दे भाई.
Most Chinese dishes are made with Ajinomoto. A large amount of Ajinomoto can harm the placental barrier. This could affect the baby's health drastically. So, say no to Ajinomoto during pregnancy. For more such content, subscribe to Sex Shiksha.
तुम दूध नहीं पियोगे क्यों? क्योंकि दूध पी के जो तुम करने वाले हो हम सब जानते हैं.
Hundreds of Bollywood movies have shown us men drinking turmeric milk on their suhaga. But did you know why this tradition exists?
Because मम्मी पापा बोलते होगे तो सोच समझ के बोलते होगे.
कुछ भी.
According to Ayurveda, turmeric milk increases your libido. Later, it was confirmed by a German study that turmeric causes an increased flow of testosterone due to a chemical compound called curcumin. Moreover, turmeric decomposes the lactic acid which forms in the body as a result of prolonged exertion. This prevents fatigue and cramps in the muscles during intercourse. Interesting now. For more such trivia, subscribe to Sex Shiksha. Do you know what is posh?
Yes girl, like I'm a very posh personality and I only go to posh places.
नहीं रे वो नहीं. Posh Act, Protection of Women from Sexual Harassment Act 2013. Under this act, a woman can file a complaint within the workplace, and the organization is responsible for creating an unbiased internal committee to investigate the issue. The idea behind the Posh Act is to make sure that the parties involved wouldn't have to compromise their working hours to seek justice. क्योंकि कोर्ट में तो सिर्फ
तारीख पर तारीख
मिलती है. For more such content, subscribe to Sex Shiksha. Couple is excited and flowers crashes into each other and boom. There comes a pregnant bride, all lovey-dovey and happy.
हाँ यार, so cute and perfect.
But unfortunately, like in the movie says, conceiving a child isn't as straightforward as shown to us by the popular media. Ovulation during intercourse isn't a guaranteed occurrence. Couples have to give it several tries. And you know what? Pregnancy can't even be detected the very next day. It takes at least 10 to 14 days after the supposed conception of the baby to even take a proper pregnancy test. So Bollywood, please, expecting parents को anxiety देना बंद करो. Don't forget to subscribe to Sex Shiksha for more info. 3 simple pregnancy tests you can do at home. In case visiting the pharmacy gives you anxiety,
ला इधर लिख लूं कहीं यूपीएससी के एग्जाम में ना आ जाए.
लिखो मत, myths हैं. But the fact that they are based on says that the vaginal fluid normally remains alkaline but turns slightly acidic when a woman is pregnant. These nonsensical tests include the use of salt, sugar and baking soda. Lol. Listen, just go to a chemist. Don't follow such घरेलू नुस्खे. Instead,